Hey guys, hope you all good today. Thanks for viewing the next video. A bit of basic information of how to identify support and resistance levels and how they come into play. Okay, so right now, I thought let's have a look at crude oil prices and just to understand, since the market is active at the moment and it's live, so let's talk about how to identify the support and resistance level. At the moment you see that already there are some lines being drawn with some markings done. So let's go step by step of what they might be doing. Now here you see we have, at this level, we have a support zone. Okay, it bounced from here, it went all the way up, and then it faced another hurdle of resistance. Okay, so if I take you back, and if I go at the back levels, you see we have a uptrend line which is in black color, which is acting as a support line as well. Okay, now you see we had a bounce at this level, we had a bounce at this level as well, here and here, and a bounce which we had yesterday. So like 5 bounce from this black uptrend line support. This gives a sign that market reacts into it. Whenever the price hits that, it just jumps. So let's go step by step. You see here it went all the way up. Previously, let me just zoom in the chart so it's much clear. Previously, you see at this level the price reacted down, it hit the black line, it went up, it faced some hurdles there, it came down, got some energy, and then rallied all the way up. It went all the way up. If we look previously as well, there was a resistance zone at this level. It came down. Since here it was resistance level, this zone is now turned support, but it went below it, took the energy, took the support from the black line, and rallied back up. As you see, it rallied back up, it went again back to this red line to see if the support is still there or no, because last time it went through it. So it went upside, it came back just to see, okay, if the support is really still there. Yes, it did get the support, it went up again, and it came down. Now the reason for it to come down from here, it could be the downtrend line as well. Okay, I'll just pull up the line. You see there is a downtrend line resistance zone. It could be also resistance from Fibonacci's as well. Okay, so right about 78.6, it got some supply there, and then it came down, and then it bounced back up from here. Now here it could have seen some uptrend line support. Okay, but you see from it broke from the uptrend line support. You see it came down all the way. Now this uptrend line is cancelled. Then you look at the Fibonacci support levels. You draw from low to high, it got the support from 78.6, and boom, it goes up again. As it goes back up again, it faces resistance level, boom, down. Now since it got the support previously from here, this is now the support levels. Now it jumps up again. It then pierces above this trend line, this downtrend line, which was acting as a resistance line. It goes up back. Now previously this was acting as a resistance. It faces some hurdles there, because those people who look at the charts, they know at this level there might be some supply, and it did get some supply, and boom, it comes down back again. It hits this black line again. Okay, it hits this black line again. We had the previous support at this level, jumps up back again, rallies all the way, pierces from this red line, and then it forms the uptrend line resistance. It goes in a zigzag pattern. Okay, it goes in a zigzag pattern. The market is a bit confused whether to go up or down. So it goes up and down, just in ranges, support and resistance. So it touches support, then resistance, support, then resistance. And then finally it decides to, just to fall down, because if there is no energy to take it further up, it loses the steam, it loses the momentum, and boom, it goes down. Went all the way down, and then it touches the black line again, forms another support levels here, up again. It faces resistance level here. Let's look at the Fibonacci resistance levels. Let's put from high to low. We got a 78.6. So 78.6 resistance zones. Again, it hits back. It goes down again, and then boom, it bounces from the black line again. So this is how you find, support and resistance it's just the basic information I'm just trying to give you here. There are lots of things. There are lots of other things, and it's just not, you cannot just make money by just looking at support and resistance. The main principle is how you manage your risk. That's the main key. You cannot expect that every trade could be winner, but the key is how do you manage it. Okay, suppose if you have a losing trade, how would you manage it? Would you just keep on adding, or what plan do you have at that moment, whether to cut it short, what next to do? So until and unless you have no information or no idea of whether the price will go up and down, so you would still be way confused. You would be probably making various panicky decisions that could blow your account totally. You would start going around asking people what to do, whether to buy right now or to sell right now, or so you are in that situation that you just follow anyone blindly. So the main thing is, before entering and trading any kind of instrument in financial markets, you should get educated. You should get the knowledge. It will help you in the long run. Once you get educated, once you have the skills, gradually through time, once you practice all the skills, you will come out as a winner, whether you are stuck somewhere or anything. Alright guys, so any questions? If you're still confused how to find support or resistance, just drop us a message, and we will be happy to guide you further. Have a good day, and happy trading. Trade without emotions. Be confident.